Hello and welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. In this video, I will share how to create Google Forms. This video is about how to create question paper in Google Forms. In this video, I will create a question paper which will contain MCQ, multiple choice question, which will be automatically checked, as well as long answer type questions, which will be manually checked. So let's begin with the video. Open Google Forms. So this on the top is the head of my form. So you can design head. I have given title, subject name, class, date, time. So add description to the head of the question paper. If you want to add more, you can add more. Then next is the settings tab. So this is the settings tab. Scroll up and down and check the options. So I have created two questions. Enter your roll number and enter your name. And here is the answer to the following questions. I have added one section. Then section third is attempt the following question. So this is the long answer type question section, which contains 3 questions. So firstly, we'll learn how to add long answer type question, which is in the section 3. So I have copy and pasted question, and now I'm selecting file upload option to the right side, and you can choose any file type. Here I have selected image. You can select maximum number of files and file size also. Towards the left bottom answer key, you can give points. I have given 2 points. Select required option to the right bottom. Then second question, you can see I have copy and pasted second question. I will choose paragraph option here. As you can see, the first question, long answer type, I selected photo option, image option, that is file upload option, and the second question, it is paragraph. So the student will type the answer in the second question. Then comes the third question. I have copy and pasted the question, and file upload option is selected. So we allow specific file types. I have selected image. Assign points, 4 points, and make it required. So these are the 3 long answer type questions in section 3. So in section 2, we'll cover multiple choice questions of 10 marks. So I've given heading, attempt the following questions, and some description. So I've copy and pasted the first question, and now I will copy the options. By default, multiple choice option comes on the right side. Click on answer key to add points. Click required. With the help of plus sign, you can add more questions. So in this way, in section 2, I will add 10 questions, which each carries 1 marks. Total 10 marks for 10 multiple choice question and 10 marks for long answer type questions. In this way, I will copy and paste all the 10 questions one by one. Copy question, then copy options. You can even type the question. As you can see, I am typing the question here. So you can type the question. After typing question, type the options. So in this question paper, there are 3 sections. Section 1 is the personal information of the student. Section 2 covers multiple choice question of 10 marks. And third section contains multiple choice questions. So the paper is total of 20 marks. So the first part MCQ will be evaluated automatically by the Google form, as I am assigning answer key. Second part, long answer type question, that will be checked manually by me. In long answer type question, also I have given 2 different types of options to the student. First is students have to upload image, and in the second question they have to type dance. So I have copied all the 10 questions in second section. So these are all the 10 questions. If you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and do watch videos of Google Forms. Now after designing the paper, I have set all the questions. I will apply form limiter. This is used to set time to the question paper. So this is an add-on, and I will add time with the help of this application. So I will sign in. Click allow option. So here to the right side is a form limiter add-on. Select date and time. Then when a due date is set on, it is 22. Then set time. Click on set option after setting time. Email from owner. Email form owner when submissions are closed. Enable this option. This form is no longer accepting responses and has been set to automatically close by the teacher. So save and enable option is there. Click on that option. Save and enable. Now to send this form, click on send option to the right top. So here there are different ways. First is email and second is link. Then click on shorten URL option and click on copy option. With the help of shorten URL, the URL gets shortened and you can easily paste it, that is you can share it. So I'm opening my classroom. I will schedule this examination in classroom. So I'm creating assignment, adding a link. I'll paste the link. Type title. You can type instruction. To the right side, select class, points. Now select due date and time. With the help of this due option, we can set date and time. We can add topic also. So in the assign option, I will select the schedule option, choose date and time, and click on schedule. Now it is scheduled for the time, that is 2 8:55 p.m. So in this video, I covered how to create Google form, how you can create question paper in Google form, where I created two types of question: MCQ, multiple choice and long answer question, and I have used add-on to add time limit. Plus, I have also shared in this video how to send this Google form to students. I hope you learned from this video. Do not forget to hit the red subscribe button, like this video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.